Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Destiny 2 on your Android device. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store on your Android and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the bottom center of the screen and tap on search. In the search bar at the top, type in Destiny 2. From the search results, tap on the Destiny 2 companion game from Bungie Inc. Tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your device. Wait for a couple of minutes until the application is downloaded. Once it is, tap on play. Accept the terms and conditions and sign in with your Bungie.net account, and there you have it. You have successfully downloaded the Destiny 2 app on your device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.